Let's test your geography skills. There are 24 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer each one.
Ready? Let's go. Question 1.
What is the capital city of France? The answer is Paris. Paris officially became the capital of France in the late 10th century, around 987 AD.
Question 2.
Which continent is the largest by land area?
The answer is Asia.
Asia is the largest continent, covering about 44.58 million square kilometers, which makes it roughly 1.5 times larger than Africa and 1.8 times larger than North America.
Question 3.
Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? The answer is Himalayas. The Himalayas are located in South Asia, while the Alps are located in Europe and the Andes in South America.
Question 4.
Which continent is the Sahara Desert in?
The answer is Africa.
The Sahara Desert covers around 9.2 million square kilometers, about the same size as the United States.
Question 5.
Which country has the Great Barrier Reef? The answer is Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is roughly the size of Japan or 70 million football fields.
Question 6.
What is the largest country by land area?
The answer is Russia.
Russia is the largest country in the world, covering over 17 million square kilometers, about 11% of Earth's total land area.
Question 7.
Mount Everest lies on the border of Nepal and which country?
The answer is China.
Everest grows about 4 millimeters taller every year due to tectonic plate movement.
Question 8.
Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The answer is Japan. Japan is called the land of the rising sun because, lying to the east of the Asian continent, it appeared to ancient China and Korea as the place where the sun rises.
Question 9.
Which country has the most islands in the world?
The answer is Sweden.
Sweden has the most islands of any country, with over 267,000, followed by Canada with around 52,000, and Indonesia with more than 17,000 islands.
Question 10.
Which country has the city of Timbuktu? The answer is Mali. Timbuktu was once a global center of learning and is home to one of the oldest universities in Africa.
Question 11.
Which South American country is landlocked? The answer is Paraguay. The name Paraguay is believed to come from the Guarani phrase Paragua, which means from the water. Question 12. Which ocean lies on the east coast of the United States? The answer is Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the world's second largest, covering about 20% of Earth's surface and spanning over 106 million square kilometers. Question 13. Which river flows through Egypt? The answer is Nile. The Nile River flows north through Egypt into the Mediterranean Sea. The Amazon River is in South America, and the Yangtze River is in China.
Question 14.
Which desert is the largest hot desert in the world? The answer is Sahara. The Sahara in Africa is the largest hot desert. The Gobi is a cold desert in Asia, while the Kalahari is a small desert in southern Africa.
Question 15.
Which European city is built on 118 islands? The answer is Venice. Venice in Italy is built on 118 small islands connected by canals. Amsterdam has many canals but fewer islands, and Stockholm is built on 14 islands.
Question 16.
Which country has the most time zones? The answer is France. France has 12 time zones because of its overseas territories. Russia has 11 time zones, and the USA has 6 main time zones.
Question 17.
What is the capital of Kazakhstan?
The answer is Astana.
Kazakhstan is the world's largest landlocked country. Despite having no coastline, it ranks as the 9th largest country by land area.
Question 18.
Which African country is completely surrounded by South Africa? The answer is Lesotho. Lesotho is the only country in the world entirely above 1,000 meters, earning it the nickname, the Kingdom in the Sky.
Question 19.
The Danube River does not flow through which of these countries? The answer is Poland. The Danube River flows through 10 countries, more than any other river in the world, including Germany, Hungary, and Austria.
Question 20.
What is the name of the southernmost permanent inhabited place on Earth? The answer is Puerto Williams. Puerto Williams has a population of about 3,000 people, including locals, Chilean Navy personnel, and researchers.
Question 21.
What is the currency of South Africa? The answer is Rand. South Africa uses the rand as its official currency. The peso is used in countries like Mexico and Argentina, while the shilling is common in East African countries. Question 22. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? The answer is Ural Mountains. The Ural Mountains divide Europe and Asia in Russia. The Himalayas separate India from Tibet, and the Alps are located in Central Europe. Question 23. Which African country is known as the Rainbow Nation? The answer is South Africa. South Africa is called the Rainbow Nation because of its cultural diversity. And the final question. Which is the deepest ocean trench on Earth? The answer is Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean east of the Philippines, is the deepest oceanic trench in the world, with its lowest point reaching about 11,034 meters. That's the end of the quiz. How many did you answer correctly? Share your answers in the comment. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more.